Hi, welcome to section 1.2. We're talking about numbers 1 through 30, or 0 through 30, and we are on page 14. So you can see if you're looking in the book, we have all the numbers written out, okay? I won't go ahead and write them all out here because you can see them in the book, but I will draw your attention to some of the numbers as well as how they're pronounced, okay? So the first one we have is cero, okay, for 0. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, after that we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, okay, 16, and notice that 16 has that accent on that E. 17, 18, 19, and then we have 20. So okay, 20. Notice 20 is EI. I often see students write it like this, but it's EI. So vein, like vein in your arm, and then the TE, okay? 20, 21, 22, 23. Notice that 22 and 23 all have that accent on the last syllable. So 22, 22, 23. Okay? And then we have 24, 25, 26, which also has the accent. Uh-oh. Put that in the wrong spot. 26. 27, 28, 29, and 30. All right. So those are the numbers 0 to 30. Okay. Now, if we keep looking in the book right here. There we go. We see before a masculine noun, uno shortens to un. And then before a feminine noun, uno changes to una, which we know because we already talked about our indefinite articles. Okay? So we have un hombre, 21 hombres. Una mujer, 21 mujeres. Now, uno and 21 are used when you are counting. So, 1, 2, 3, 21, 22. They are also going to be used after a noun, even if it's feminine. So, la lección uno. Okay? To ask how many, we're going to use the question cuántos with that accent on the A, with a masculine noun, and cuántas with a feminine noun. That's how you say that. I means both there is and there are. Okay? We're going to use I to ask is there or are there. Okay? And then we're going to use no I to express there is or there are not. So here are the examples we have. ¿Hay chicos en la fotografía? No, no hay chicos. ¿Cuántas chicas hay? Hay 3. Okay, so this seems like a really short lesson, and I mean it is kind of short compared to the last one. So the important thing here is really to just memorize the numbers. And a lot of this is just going to be memorization, especially when you're starting out, because you don't have this information in your head yet. So I recommend making flashcards, something like that, if that helps you with getting that information in your head. Okay? So let's see. For this manos a la obra, I think it's easy to check with the chart above, so I won't write out those numbers. But as always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Note that when you're doing these activities and any activities with the numbers, if you're writing out the numbers, you want to pay attention to the ones that have accents. So 16, 22, 23, 26, for example. And then pay attention to the spelling, because you're going to need to make sure that you spell those correctly. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer those for you.